Hi, welcome to my channel Engineering Math Support. In this video, we are going to see about logical equivalences without using truth table. To solve the logical equivalences without using truth table, we must thorough the formulas. I have given the link in the description. Kindly go through that link for remembering the equivalence formulas. Let's move on to the video. Prove the following logical equivalences without using truth tables. First problem. P or P and P or Q equivalent to P. I'm going to take the LHS P or P and P or Q, that is equivalent to. First, we are going to observe the bracket term. If you observe this bracket term, here two different symbols are there. Three variables are there. In the three variables, two variables are same. Therefore, we remember the formula absorption. Using this absorption law, we are going to simplify the term as P or this term is nothing but P by absorption law. Absorption law is nothing but P and P or Q equivalent to P. So next, if you observe the term P or P, two variables are same. Therefore, we remember the formula idempotent. Using this formula, we are going to write the next step as P or P is P. So therefore, P or P and P or Q equivalent to P. Next problem, P or Q are not P and not Q and R equivalent to P or Q or R. I'm going to consider the LHS P or Q are not P and not Q and R, that is equivalent to. First, we have to observe the bracket term and we have to simplify it first. So if you observe this bracket term, three different variables are there, same symbols are there. So we can apply associative law. Since associative law, I can combine the first two terms P or Q or not P and not Q and R, which is equivalent to. So now we are going to observe the next bracket term not P and not Q and R. So it is look like P, Q, R. Three different variables, two same symbols. So we can apply again associative law. Using associative law, I'm going to combine here not P and not Q. I'm going to combine and R. Why we are combining these two terms means De Morgan's law is eligible for the particular term. Because of that reason, I'm going to combine these two terms, which is equivalent to. Now, if you observe this bracket term, we'll have De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan's law, we can write the next step as P or Q, or this term can be written as not of P or Q. By taking the not common here, we can write the term as not of P or Q and R. So now, if you observe this entire term, it is look like P or this is Q and R. Three different variables, two different symbols. Therefore, distributive law is eligible. If you apply this distributive law, you will get the term as P or Q and P or R. Using distributive law, I'm going to write the next step as equivalent to P or Q or here our Q is not of P or Q. This is the first term. Then and next is term P or Q or R, the second term. Now, if you observe these two terms, it is look like P or not P form. And here all the symbols are same, three different variables. So using negation law and associative law, we can write the next step as P or not P is nothing but T, and all the symbols are same, so I can write the term as without any brackets, which is equivalent to. If you observe these two terms, the entire term is look like T. So T and P is P. Using identity law, we can write that step as T and P is P. Here our P value is P or Q or R. This is our required proof. Next problem, if P then Q and not Q and R or not Q equivalent to not of Q or P. To prove this, I'm going to consider P then Q and not Q and R or not Q. If you observe these two bracket terms, we will remember the two formulas. Not P or Q is the formula of if P then Q, that we can apply for this bracket term. So if you observe this bracket term, it is in the form of P and Q or P. Two different symbols, three variables. In the three variables, two are same. So we can remember the absorption law. So therefore, applying the two laws, if P then Q can be written as not P or Q. Using absorption law, we can write this step as not P or Q, and this entire term is the same variable will come as a result. So here the same variable is not Q. You will get the term as not Q. If you observe this term, it is look like P or Q and R. Three different variables, two different symbols. Therefore, we have to remember distributive law. So for the next step, we can apply this distributive law. If you apply the distributive law, we can write this about term as P and R or Q and R. So by applying this form, we will get the term as not P and not Q, or Q and not Q. So if you observe this two bracket terms, for the first bracket term, we will remember the De Morgan's law. Since both the terms consist of not, so De Morgan's law is eligible. And if you observe this second term, Q and not Q, negation law is eligible. So we can apply negation law here. Therefore, which is equivalent to, I can apply the De Morgan's law and write the term as not of P or Q, or this term is nothing but Q and not Q is F. So now if it is look like a P or F form. So using that identity law, I can write this step as not of P or Q. So if you observe this, and the right hand side of our result will not be same. Here we need Q or P. So therefore, we can apply the commutative law. We can write this step as Q or P, hence our required result. Next problem. If not of P and Q, then not P or not P or Q equivalent to not P or Q. To solve this, I'm going to consider the left side. If not of P and Q, then not P or not P or Q. If you observe this bracket term, we come to a conclusion that symbols are same. We can apply associative law. Not of P and Q, then not P or not P I can combine, or Q. So now if you observe these two terms, it is look like idempotent law. We can write the term as not of P and Q, then this is nothing but not P or Q. So further we can't able to simplify this. This we can simplify. by using De Morgan's law, but it is not necessary to do that one, because if you observe this entire term, it is look like P then Q form. So we can apply not P or Q. When you apply this, we will get one not. Because of that reason, I didn't apply De Morgan's law here. So therefore, it is equivalent to not of P and Q, or not P or Q. That is equivalent to. Here, if you observe this term, not of not, double negation law we can apply. So applying that double negation law, we can write the term as simply P and Q, or not P or Q. If you observe this term, still we didn't get our required result. So therefore, still we are going to simplify this. If you see this term, these two symbols are same, but these two symbols are different. So we have to consider the different symbols for applying distributive law. If you apply the distributive law, here we can write this term as it is P or. So P or not P or Q is the first term, and Q or not P or Q. So if you observe this term, so here all the symbols are same. We can apply associative and we can combine any two terms. Here also symbols are same, so we can apply associative law. I can write the above term as P or not P, or Q I can write. And here I can write the term as not P or Q or Q. If you observe this term, it is look like idempotent. So I am going to apply idempotent law here. Therefore, here I am going to apply idempotent law. Here, if we check, it is look like P or not P, negation law, which is equivalent to P or not P is T or Q, and this term is not P, Q or Q is Q, which is equivalent to, if you observe this first bracket term, T or Q. So we know that in R, one T is there, the entire term is T. So therefore, we will get the result as T for the first bracket term and not P or Q. So if you want, we can write the reason as domination law. Since domination law, T or Q will become T. So if you observe this, it does look like T and P form. This entire term we consider as a P. T and P is P since identity law. So therefore, we will get our required result as not P or Q. Next problem, not P and not Q and R, or Q and R, or P and R equivalent to R. To show this, I'm going to consider the LHS, not P and not Q and R, or Q and R, or P and R. That is equivalent to. I already told you, we have to observe the bracket terms first, and we have to simplify it. So if you observe this bracket term, you will get a conclusion that all the symbols are same, three different variables. So associative law is possible. If you observe this bracket term, we'll have and or is common. So therefore, we can go for distributive law by taking the and or common. So using these two laws, I'm going to write the next step as not P and not Q and R. I didn't apply the associative law at present. I will keep the term as it is. First, I'm going to simplify this one. That is, if you take and or common here, we are going to write the remaining terms as Q or P. Q or P. So now I'm going to apply the associative law for this one by combining the first two terms. The reason is, if you observe this and this, more or less the first two terms are in the form of Q, P or Q. Due to that reason, I'm going to combine these two terms by using associative law. To get the similar terms, I'm going to apply the commutative law here, and I'm going to write QRP as PRQ by applying commutative law. If you observe this bracket term, we have to take a not common. If you take not common, not of PR, Q, and R, and here we will get PRQ and R. So now if you observe this entire term, there will be a common form, that is and or and or. So therefore we can apply distributive law to get the next step. Using the distributive law, we can write the next step as and or is common in both the terms I have taken out. Remaining terms I can write it as not of P or Q or symbol here P or Q. If you observe this term, it is look like not P or P. Since negation law, we can write the next step as not P or P is nothing but T, T and R. If you observe this term, it is look like T and P. So T and P is P by identity law. So therefore, we will get T and R is our required result. This is the way we can prove the logical equivalences without using truth tables. I hope you will understand the problems. So kindly go through the link given in the description and first thorough with the formulas and try to apply the formulas in the problems properly. Thank you.